Alright, I'm doing this video for the 2019 Yamaha YXZ front mount pod lights. It's part number B5H-H4104-V0-00. This is after the install. It was incredibly easy to install. There's literally just the two bolts in the back, one here and one on this side. You bolt it in, and it plugs in right here on the left side or on the right side, and then there's an identical plug. Let me get my hand up in there, right here on the left side, or on the left side. And there's a little water safe plug that you pull out when it's this comes stock like this. You take it out, you plug it in here, and they're installed. It probably took me 5 to 10 minutes to completely install and plug them in. And I haven't tested them in dark yet. The light that comes off of them is pretty impressive. They only come on when the brights are turned on. I made this video because I could not find anything online or anything on YouTube showing these on a 2019 on this model. So I hope this helps.